We learn non-defined clause talk. So we learn detailed and defined clause. Now we learn non-defined clause. What is defined clause and what is non-defined clause? Already told you that defined is represent subject always, but in the case of non-defined does not matter subject, but it gives more information about the subject. So when we write, we separate with the commas more information. For example, my Raju is a doctor. Raju is a doctor. He is my cousin. He is living in London. There are three sentences. This is the three sentences. We make one clause. How we see this? So here is Raju. Raju is a person. So we have to use relative pronoun you, relative pronoun who. Okay, Raju is a doctor. Who is my cousin? Living in London. Is living in London. Okay, see this. So let me write. Let me learn this thing. Starter. Raju, comma. Who is a doctor? Who is a doctor? Who is a doctor, comma. Is my cousin. Is my cousin, comma. Is living in London. Is living in London. This is called non-defined clause. So this more information about Raju. So when we give more information about, we should write non-defined clause. Okay, clear. Let me see the example sum for our concern to our examinations. Okay, examples. More examples. Narayana Murthy was the son of a school teacher. He showed other Indians how to earn wealth legally and ethically. This is the given question. So this relative pronouns write with who? Relative pronoun. See, Narayana Murthy, comma. Examples. Narayana Murthy, comma. Who was the son of school teacher, comma. Showed other Indians how to earn wealth legally and ethically. So here is who represent the person Narayana Murthy. And then I did it. I separate with commas. I separate sentence with commas. Here is two sentences, but I wrote one sentence. So with the relative pronoun who. And then second examples. You see second examples. Shiva Iyer was an orthodox Brahmin. He had a very conservative wife. So here also, so relative pronoun. Because here in this example, we represent the person. So that we use who relative pronoun. Shiva Iyer comma, who was an orthodox Brahmin, comma, had a very conservative wife. Very conservative wife. So here more information about Shiva Iyer. But Shiva Iyer is not given much importance, but we give only more information about Shiva Iyer. In this case, defined clause, we give more importance to the subject. But in non-defined case, we don't give any more importance to the subject. Thank you for learn. I hope that it will help you lot in your examinations. You have to practice more examples from your textbook only. That's enough for your examination to score 2 marks easily. Okay, all the best, students.